Hello guys, today we are going to rig this tire using the node editor. First, we are going to place our joint in the middle of the tire. So I use the right view to select. I'm going to place a joint here. And if you want, you can use the display animation. Animation joint size. You can decrease or increase the joint size here. I'm going back to the view, and we will take this joint. Sorry. So we'll put it in. Okay, it's good, well placed. So what we are going to do, and we are going to create two controller. I'm going to use a script that I have, so I don't have to to do it from scratch. I'm going to take a cycle. I'm going to put it in the origin. Alright. And I'm going to take the joint. Going to modify my transform. Going to take this the control. Going to scale it. All right. Oh, it's going to take 90 degrees. All right. Put it just right here. Good. And now freeze transform. There's other way you can do it without doing the freeze transform. Since it's just a beginner tutorial, don't need we don't have to make it so difficult. By the way, let me put this to later. So I'll have to select it by mistake. Then we are going to create another controller. I'll take the 2 arrow from the direction. Let's press F. So if you want to use a controller and you don't want to freeze transform, you don't want to do a freeze transform on it, you can just go to vertex. Let me put this also into a. Alright. Control vertex, Control Shift A, and now you can scale it or can translate it without adding any value on the controller. So see, we don't have any value in it. That's another technique. Or you can create an offset group. But now we have practically everything. So let's name our joint tire joint. This cycle, we're going to name it rotation control. This we're going to name it direction control. Good. What we're going to do, the rotation control will be the child of the direction control. So I'm going to put it here. Good. And the rotation control will make a constraint parent with the joint. Constraint parent. Now, good. Now, if I take the direction control and I move it forward or backward, so everything stick together. Now, here's the important part. We're going to node editor. Okay, we already have the direction control here. Good. Now let's take the rotation control. All right. We're going to do something simple with it. Now we are going to add multiply divide. Tab. Just press tab. Multiply divide. In example, we are going to take the translate of the direction and the translate z. We're going to put in the input 1, and now we are going to take the output x and put it on the rotation x, but it will depend. Now let's try it. All right. Good. So in the input 2, that one is a bit tricky, but that will depend on how fast you want the tire to go. So normally in the input to x, I'm going to put 2. So next step, so all right. So if you want to see the rotation, I mean the axis of the joint, you can go to, I think it's display transform local rotation axis. Yeah, now you can see if it really works. Good. Now we have everything. We are going to do the final step. Easy. We're going to take our joint and our tires. Alright. The tire. We'll take the joint and the tire, and we are going to skin. Line skin. So let's take our old direction. Now we have the tire completely rigged and follow the direction. Basically, it's the way you can rig your tire, for a simple animation. Of course, if you want to do advanced stuff, you will have to calculate the diameter, which is the length of the tire from point A to point B, and multiplied by P, which the value, I think it's 3.40 to 3.14. Yeah, so that's another thing. But if you want to rig your tire, you can do it like this. It's pretty easy. So that's how I rig my car. I have a car rig completely, and this is the technique I use to rig all the 4 tires, 4 wheels, like this. So it's not very difficult. So if you like the video, please subscribe or share the videos, and if there's something you want to know and I can explain it, don't hesitate to put a comment below. Thank you.